Ready ka na bang mag-apply bilang foreign English teacher dito sa Taiwan? Pakinggan mo to, mga requirements na kailangan mo bago ka mag-apply. Hey, what's up? This is Levi Lauscher, isang foreign English teacher dito sa Taiwan. I-check po natin ang mga requirements sa TFETP website. Click, then go to Required Documents and choose Foreign English Teacher. So number 1 requirement is your passport. Number 2, degree certificate from an accredited university or college. You may check the list of accredited university and college from the Ministry of Education. Number 3, your teaching license na DFA and TECO authenticated. Number 4 is your NBI clearance. Dapat din po ay naka-DFA and TECO authenticated. Number 5, statement of purpose within 700 to 1,500 words. That includes the following: your motivation for applying, your background, why you are a good fit for the position, your career plan, the objectives you wish to accomplish during your time in Taiwan, and your perspective and philosophy of teaching. Number 6 is your teaching demonstration. The video shall be of 4 to 5 minutes in length. At nakalagay po dyan yung inyong teaching style, teaching logic, teaching skills, and teaching strategies through the video. And last, ang inyong dalawang recommendation letters. Na manggagaling po could be your teachers, professors, previous or current managers and colleagues who have known you for a period of time and know about your performance at work. Email address po ng dalawang napili ninyong recommenders ang ipapasa dito. Then, isisend sa kanila ng TFETP ang link na i-fill out nila para sa kanilang recommendation letter. Sana nakatulong itong list ng requirements at ihanda nyo ng lahat para ready na kayo pag nagbukas na ang hiring. Follow for more Taiwan teaching tips and see you sa next vlog.